Charlie, what are you doing, huh? What are you doing, huh? What are you doing? What are you doing? I think something's over here. What are you doing? Huh? Yeah, look. He wants to stay over there. Someone's over here. You can say hello. You can say hello. You can say your name. I'm asking who it is.